Kate Middleton and Prince William will be busy preparing Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis' school lunches as they begin to resume their school years this week. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge have been known to encourage healthy eating among their children. It is a new school year and parents across the country will be busy preparing packed lunches for their children. The royals are no different, and the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge will also be back in the routine of school preparations for Prince George and Princess Charlotte. The couple's two eldest children attend Thomas School in Battersea, London. It is not known if George and Charlotte have school or packed lunches, but they will most certainly be eating a balanced, nutritious diet whichever their parents have chosen. On Thomas School's website, the Wellbeing section says, "At Thomas's, we are committed to ensuring that our pupils receive not only a wholesome, nutritious and balanced meal each day but also a delicious one." Lunch for the whole school community is cooked by a team of chefs who enjoy discussing the choices on offer with the children each day and work with even the fussiest eaters to find something they would enjoy eating. The children can choose from a range of lunch dishes, as well as vegetarian, vegan and gluten-free options, and every effort is made to minimize sugar and salt consumption. The day's menu can include anything from chicken and chorizo jambalaya or pepper-crusted salmon with garlic chickpeas to lentil and carrot soup with garlic dough balls. If William and Kate choose packed lunches for their children, it is likely the nanny Maria Teresa Parallo, who trained at the famous Norland College, prepares them. Julia Gaskell, Norland College's head of consultancy, training, alumni and agency, spoke to Hello about how their students prepare school lunches. Julia said, "Norland students learn how to prepare healthy and nutritious meals for children through weekly practical food and nutrition classes. They also learn about the importance of nutrition for physical and brain development, fussy eating, weaning and how to cater for special dietary requirements. They build on their knowledge and skills during their extensive placement experience throughout Norland's unique 4-year integrated degree and diploma course. At Norland, we encourage children to eat their savoury food first in case they run out of time, and to have a drink, but some children like to eat the sweeter things first. The school might have rules as well, and consistency is key to supporting children to develop healthy eating habits. It's important to remember that starting, or returning to, school can be an anxious time, so initially we would not be too worried about which bits they had eaten, and when. Children can often be hungry at collection time at the end of the day, so if they have any packed lunch left they may want it. We always advise taking a small healthy snack when picking up. Sample lunchbox foods that Norland nannies learn to make include mini frittatas, sliced celery with some dips, rice paper vegetable wraps, pinwheel sandwiches, homemade sausage rolls and Scotch eggs, cheese scones, muffins, and smoothies. Julia added, "We always encourage our students to think about how to involve the children in preparing their meals, and to talk and explain to them why it is good for them too. The more involved children are, the more they develop their interest in healthy food, and the more likely they are to eat it. Children like to know what they have for lunch, they love routine, they have particular foods they enjoy eating, and that are healthy, and can be eaten as independently as possible.